Kingdom sa SM Grand Central. Kaso, nung avail, wala rin PS5. Malas yata talaga tayo ng araw na to. Hindi tayo makabiling PS5 o mag-PS4 na lang ako habang buhay. Okay mga kasmak, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Today bibili tayo ng PS5 para makalaro tayo sa mga pusta ng PS5. Marami nag-aaya sa atin. Saka may pinagdaan tayong tournament ng PS5. Sana pala rin tayo at manalo. Let's go! Mga kasmak, andito ngayon ako sa North Mall, 3rd floor. Ito sa Caloocan City, katabi lang ng SM Grand Central. Actually, wala nga yung PS5, out of stock.
A few minutes later.
Okay mga kasmak, nasa SM Grand Central ako. Sa Data Blitz, kaso wala pa rin PS5 kung hindi tayo mapapabili ngayon. Try natin sa other branch store mall. Let's go! Dito tayo guys, Toy Kingdom sa SM Grand Central. Kaso, nung avail, wala rin PS5. Malas yata talaga tayo ng araw na to. Hindi tayo makabiling PS5 o mag-PS4 na lang ako habang buhay. Ngayon nagutom tayo mga kasmat. Kumain muna tayo ng pusit. Sarap ang pusit dito, 6 pesos lang. Malalaki pa. Yan mga kasmak, size lang yan. Kaya kong kumain ng 20 piraso niyan. Wala kayo sa akin.
Pwede na!
Mga kasmak, inabutan tayo ng ulan. Ibat tayo sa kabilang SM City San Lazaro. Doon tayo sa Tayuman pupunta. Baka pala rin tayo, doon tayo makabili. Pero inabot tayo ng ulan eh. Dito na tayo sa SM San Lazaro. May tatlong pilihan dito eh. Toy Kingdom, sa Game Line, saka sa Game Extreme. Magka-canvas muna tayo kung sino pinakamura doon. Doon tayo bibili. Tara! Unahin natin mga kasmak ang Game Line. Bigyan natin kung may PS5 sila. Tara, tuloy-tuloy mo na. Wala kayong game na may wala bang wala bang wala bang bawas pag-hash?
SRP naman din sila.
Magkano? 33? Ano kasama?
Nado 4 na day, tapos sa
Magkano lang yung sa controller?
naka-promo. 2 days na yun.
Ano ba mo ito kung dito mo lang?
Pero
Magkano?
PS5 190. Parang 3,490. Parang option ng 1.
Ilan pa unit na dito? Kaya lang, ikuti ko lang. Talagang bibili ako eh. Thank you. Salamat. 33,000 daw sa Game Line. Sa Game Extreme mga kasmak. Pag mura dito tayo bibili. Ikot muna tayo dun, sa kabila. Game Extreme. Tara. Dito tayo sa Game Extreme mga kasmak. Tanong natin kung magkano ang PS5 sa kanila. Go! Magkano ang PS4 sa iyo?
33,890.
Ay, available.
Meron. God of War bundle.
Ang kasama ng boss?
God of War tsaka isang controller.
Magkano ang isang controller?
Pero abang, kasi pa yun. Kasi kasi,
2,990 ba?
naka-promo siya.
Bali 3,000. Ang naka-promo rin yung Tokai 23 sir eh. Magkano eh?
Bali, 550.
Same price lang pala eh. Mamimili na kami. Pag cash boss, walang ano?
Wala cash.
Walang bawas kahit 100.
Yung ano po, yung game, hindi restaurant.
Oo, 1.9 na. Hanggang ngayon lang yata yung promo.
Kamay na lang
Ayun talaga. Mag-vlog ako sir, pasensya na. Yun lang talaga, para sila ng game line sa game extreme. Mamimili na lang tayo saan tayo bibili. Sige. Okay mga kasmak, dito na tayo bibili sa game line. Dito kasi may isang extra unit eh. Same price sila sa game extreme, kaya dito tayo bibili. Kinuha ko may extra controller, saka game na NBA 2K23. Yun lang naman lalaroin natin eh. Pag narok bundle ito, haling mabot ng 38,000, pwede na rin. Boom!
Person service po. Basta box receipt po itatapon. Kung wala kasi yung box sir na receipt mo yung nagawa na receipt. Then kasi yung serial, is mo nandito sa pakalawang box. Yung game naman na sa receipt.
Pumunta po ako, driver naman naman hindi natin pumunta. Check natin.
For yung game. Tapos yung power cord. Yung stand po sa atin. Alam sure yung easy lang tayo ng power.
Yung stand? Ayos. Okay. God of War. Thank you. Nakapilip tayo mga kasmak. Make unboxing tayo mamaya.
A few moments later.
What's up mga kasma? Tara, mag-quick unboxing tayo. Get more!
Will you please repeat it?
What's up mga kasmak? Tara, samahan niyo kami. Unbox natin itong PS5. Natin ang box mga kasmak. Tignan natin kung ano laman ito. Big unboxing lang ito, tapos mamaya laro tayo. May kalaban tayo. Magaling na player. Okay, syempre, may manual. Dalawang papel. Power cord, out of the box. Oop, wow! Meron tayong controller na white. Ito, ano to? Meron tayong stand. Siguro, ganun, patayo.
Bola lang yan.
Siyempre, HDMI cable. Tingnan natin to. Oh, ano to? USB port charging. Ano naman ba? Uy, na unit. Tika. May CD pala tayo. God of War, Ragnarok. Oh, yeah. Siyempre, ang ating white na PS5 console. Okay, na-unbox na natin. So nga pala mga ka-Smackdown, ang layo lang dami natin pinaganapan na tindahan. Pumunta tayo sa Monumento, sa North Mall, sa SM Grand Central, wala doon. Tapos nakakabili tayo sa SM San Lazaro. Nabili ko to sa Game Line mga ka-Smack. Ang presyo nito ay 38,830. Yan po, parang SRP price natin nakuha. Kasama nito, dalawang controller, dalawang game. So NBA 2K23 saka God of War Ragnarok. Okay mga kasmak, dito ko ilalagay yung aking PS5. Napit ka. Dito yan natin nakalagay yung aking PS4 Pro. Yan. Dito natin siya lilipat, pahiga. Sige, atras ako. Ito yung bracket. Ilalagay lang dito eh. Nakita ko sa video eh. Yan, XXXO yan. Yan. Okay natin. Tapos, ito, power cord, HDMI, LAN cable. Makasmak nakalan ako eh. Para pag yung online game natin, hindi tayo masyadong lag. Ika, napit ka ba? Oh. Yung nakikita ko. Ito. Power cord, 220. Daming HDMI yan. Look. LAN cable. Ito, HDMI. Higa ko na siya. Yan. Yan. Okay, turn on natin for the very first time ang ating PS5. Excited na si Pepe, ayun o. Okay, nalalamit ako. Sa bawal nito. Yun, may button, no? Yun. Yun! Ayan na. Siyempre, mag-update yan ng marami. Mag-update na 2K22, 2K23. Malaki yan. Forward na natin. Ito mga kasmat, magka-practice tayo. Kasama natin si Benjo Lugto. May pinaghahandaan kasi kaming tournament eh. Ito, ipopost ko yung tournament. Ayan. PS5 tournament, ang panalo dyan, 5,000 din. PS5 unit. Maraming sasali rito, kaya magandang tournament to. Samahan nyo kami doon sa tournament na nakapost dito, mga kasmat. Let's go!
Playoff prediction.
Okay, start na ng game. Ang team ko, Milwaukee Bucks. Si Benjo, Los Angeles Clippers. Practice lang to. Sino kaya mananalo, mga kasmat?
And the Clippers starting five. The wing pairing
Can help change the complexion of the rest of the game.
Exactly. I mean, because you're creating turnovers, getting into transition, playing in the open court against a defense that's not set, and hopefully getting some easy points at the other end.
And here's Giannis. After Reggie Jackson was able to get the triple, the shot. He's a top 10 rebounder this year for good reason. He's unbelievably driven, and he competes with you for the entire game. Leonard with the bucket.
That may not be his first choice.
Blocking foul called on Steve Portis. First personal foul. First team foul. There's 38 seconds left to play here in the first. Carter against Wall. Batuma screen on Clark. Lock at 6. Pass to George. Takes the 13-footer. George, no good.
Well, you've got to be there defensively. I mean, that's an easy mid-range jumper that he'll typically drain.
And it goes out of bounds. That one off Covington. Here's Portis. No points in the game yet for him. No good on the quick three. Right side Wall. And here's George for three. That one doesn't go. And
Itong first quarter, Lakers 15, Milwaukee Bucks 11. Namang si Benjo, huli natin yan.
Man looks at a stat sheet. Turnovers sometimes go overlooked. They don't really grab your attention. But as a player, how conscious of turnovers were you?
Be limiting your team in possessions, and you don't want your teammates to be sloppy. You don't want to be sloppy, and most of the time you want to try to force your opponents into turnovers, not make them yourself.
Hill, he's checked in for Drew Holiday. Powell, he's checked in for the Clippers. Zubats with the screen for Jackson. And the wide open shot from Morris. Offensive rebound. Zubats goes up again, and he gets the basket. Officials blowing
D as to who was supposed to be on it.
Jackson kicks to Zubats. It's stolen by Hill. Now the Bucks moving it up. 3-second difference between shot clock and game clock. There's Portis. Ibaka outside. From deep, Ingles. Good on the triple. Ingles has got the lead up to 3 now for the Bucks.
The ball movement on this run has been fantastic and is a big part of why they've been able to get these good looks.
Kennard, the pass to Zubats. It's stolen by Hill. And that's it.
End of second quarter, nakalamang na tayo ngayon, 26-23.
Conference leaders, that's a solid accomplishment at this stage of the season.
You know, I thought maybe they'd have it in them to actually join those leaders this season. But you're right, it's still nice work considering where they are.
And the double up on Antetokounmpo. Shot clock at 5. That one, no good. And the Clippers will go the other way with it. George against Holiday. For the tie, shooting
This into 2 points on the tip end.
hustle points, I believe they call them. Hustle points right there.
And great instincts, too, guys, anticipating where the miss was going.
Passes it to Batum. 6 on the shot clock. And George kicks to Powell. Here's Covington. Again, the Clippers.
You know, for a 6'9" forward, Covington really handles the ball well. You can trust him with the rock.
Pass to Portis. To the left side wing. Matthews, no one around him. That three off the mark. Out to Ibaka. From downtown. No good on the last.
End of third quarter. Lamang na si Benjo apat. 33-29. Start na ng fourth quarter, mga kasma.
Holiday finds Lopez. The kick out to Antetokounmpo. It drops. That's his 9th field goal that can subbed in for John Wall. Let's check in with our reporter, David Aldridge.
Well, guys, over the break, I was able to listen to Tyronn Lue's huddle. He said,
Passes it to Morris. Lets it go with a three. Again, the miss by Morris.
And the well is running dry for him right now. Nothing falling.
And, you know, you can sense his frustration. This is going to be a test of his resolve here.
And you can't get a bigger bucket than that.
Well, that was 1-2. He wanted the ball. Nobody else was taking that shot.
And they foul intentionally. They're going to have to do that now again and again. They're not in the penalty yet.
Honestly, just doing what they have to.
Clock management crucial at this time of the year.
Got one more, though.
And Holiday doesn't get easily rattled.
Here's George. Inside, Jackson. To the left wing. Can they get it? Good! 5 seconds left in the fourth quarter of this one. Here's Antetokounmpo. Shot is good. But see what happens here. Beyond overtime if the original ruling of no basket is confirmed.
Hoy, overtime. Panalo na sa ano eh. Overtime tayo, mga kasma.
The wing pairing, George and Leonard. Post tandem for him, Morris and Zubac. And it's Jackson in at the one. Antetokounmpo can't get it to go. And here's George. He'll bring it up for Los Angeles. Zubac, a screen on Portis. And George kicks to Zubac. Out to Morris. And here's George for three. And the three-point. Outside, Antetokounmpo. From deep. A second chance effort. And the bucket is good. Folks, so they have determined to overrule the original call.
And guys, this is what it's all about, getting the call right. And defensively, if you can't block, force them to the line.
A little bump, and then maybe they'll think twice.
I'm here just over a minute into overtime. Here's Antetokounmpo, and he finishes nicely. Overtime in full swing here, 2 minutes off the clock. Back to Giannis. And they double up Giannis. And there's the feed to Allen. Shot clock at 6. Stolen by George. And here's Leonard from 3. No good there. Now Giannis. And the double up Antetokounmpo. Jackson against Allen. Down low. Here's Antetokounmpo. Money!
And in addition to his great talent, Antetokounmpo has the reputation of being an outstanding leader as well. He's a clutch player who demands the ball in these situations. You love that.
Intriguing to see what a coach draws up in this situation.
And we call those ATOs, or plays run after a timeout. They often make the difference in the game.
And they commit an intentional foul. We'll see another one of those so they can get into the penalty. And that's an intentional foul.
It's with the game in the balance. PG is a good bet to deliver. And the perfect time to be perfect at the line. Only a 3 can tie it now. And no secret here, guys. They've got to get a 3 if we're going to get yet another overtime.
Allen for 3. Off target.
End of game, mga kasma. Talo ako, panalo sa medyo. 52-49. Mga kasma, dito ko natatapusin ang aking video. Sana patuloy niyong suportahan ang aking channel.
At salamat sa mga followers at subscribers natin. Until next video, mga kasmak. Let's go! Boom! Mope, ngiting tagumpay.
Ngiting tagumpay.
No, ngiting tagumpay.
Ngiting